Hey guys, Pierre from Into Fly Fishing, and in the vise today I've got a peculiar looking fly called the Blob. It's a super effective stillwater fly derived from competition fishing. It uses minimal materials and it catches a lot of trout. This fly tying tutorial is brought to you by Moonshine Fly Rod Company. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the links in the video description below to see my full hands-on look at the new Vesper 3-weight 10-foot 6-inch Euro nymphing rod. It comes with an extra tip, so if you break one while you're out on the river, it won't ruin your fishing trip. Tools you need to tie the Blob is a vise, a bobbin holder for your thread, a pair of sharp scissors and a whip finishing tool. The first step is to secure your hook in the vise. Here I've got a Moosh 8471 in a size 12. For thread I'm using Danville 70 denier in a coloured fluorescent orange, and I'll just attach the thread behind the eye of the hook. Once the thread is secured, just trim off the excess. Open the thread by turning the bobbin counterclockwise and lay a solid thread foundation all the way to the back of the hook. The main material that I'll be using to tie the Blob is a turbo translucent chenille in fluorescent hot orange from Vineyard. This is how a section of it looks once it's trimmed from the card. To prepare the chenille, just pull off the fibers from the base so that you're left with just the bare strands. Now pinch it in place where the bare material stops right at the base of the thread foundation. Using a pinch wrap, just lock the material in place and trim off the excess. Cover the remainder of the material and wrap your thread forward. Now we'll palmer this chenille all the way forward in the same direction as we wrap the thread. After each wrap, just pull all the fibers back. It helps to wet your fingers here and just wrap forward. Touching wraps, taking your time as you go forward. Once you reach the back of the eye, secure it with your thread 2 or 3 times, and before trimming it off, secure it in the front as well. Now you can cut off your chenille. Wet your fingers again and just stroke back all the fibers and create a neat head just behind the eye of the hook. Grab your whip finishing tool and just do a neat 3 or 4 turn whip finish to finish the fly off. Just going to do 2 of these right there. Once you have that secured, trim off the thread. Now you can seal the head of the fly with your favorite head cement. Here I'm using Sally Hansen's Hard as Nails. Applying a drop, covering all the exposed thread. And there you have it, a very simple yet super effective stillwater pattern, the Blob. I hope that you found this tying tutorial helpful, and if you did, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications, and we can let you know as soon as we release any future tying tutorials. Until next time, cheers.